You get to bring people back to life, but the person you love the most would unalive, and you cannot bring them back.
You will reach the peak of human physical ability, but you will no longer understand the concept of numbers. You can stop time when you want to, but people will know what you did after you start the time again.
You will get every piece of clothing you desire, stored in a gigantic wardrobe. But if someone finds out about your endless wardrobe of infinity, you will never be able to wear clothes again.